if you're not making money with AI in 2025, it's because you're choosing not to. I'm about to show you 4 of the easiest AI side hustles you can start right now from home with almost no money upfront. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius. If you can use a phone, then you can do this. Now, why should you listen to what I have to say? My name is Fred, and so far, I've been able to make thousands of dollars per day with my business, sometimes as much as $2,000 in one day, most of it being profit. So I do know a thing or two about making money from home in my bathrobe, which is literally just over there. The first AI side hustle I want to share with you is something I call the PTP Method. And the reason you've probably never heard of it before is actually quite simple. I sort of invented it. Now I know PTP sounds fancy, but it's stupid simple. Here's what it means. You take AI, you make a simple product with it, and you sell it to people and you make a profit. Boom, that's it. It can be a digital product, a coaching service, or a done-for-you service. Now let me break it down even more, because that's a very high-level view right there. Imagine you use something like ChatGPT to make a workout planner. You type in a few prompts, you get workout plans, meal ideas, maybe even a little weight loss guide. You take that and you package it as a digital product. You slap a price tag on it, you sell it, or maybe you do it for small businesses. You build simple lead generation funnels using AI. You help local businesses like dentists or gyms to find more customers without lifting a finger. Or if you're into money stuff, you can take AI to create stock market risk reports. You help people to understand where they might lose money and where they might win. Now, you don't need to be a financial wizard because AI is doing the heavy lifting for you. You just guide the AI and tell it what you want it to create. But without the instructions, it won't work on its own. Now, what's amazing with the PTP method is that you don't need to keep inventory. You're not shipping anything. You're not buying boxes or paying for warehouses. The only real cost is your internet connection and your time. The best part about this is that people are willing to pay a lot for your products because it feels personal. Even though AI helps you build it, it feels like you just made it for them. If you want to start, it's simple. First, pick a problem you already kind of understand, like fitness or business marketing or saving money. Build a tiny first version of your product, nothing crazy, just a few prompts that work well. Then you want to package it and sell it as a download, a coaching program, a course, or even a membership. Now, if you don't have an audience, don't worry about it. Some of the richest people I know barely have any followers, while some of the biggest influencers we all know are actually secretly broke. So I'll let you pick your poison. So you want to go on Instagram, find a small influencer with 5,000 to 10,000 organic followers. Make sure they're real followers, not fake followers. Otherwise, this isn't really going to work out for you and you're just going to lose your money. You could pay them $50 or $100 for a shout out or even run some cheap ads to get some initial traffic and to get some sales. That's the PTP method and it works incredibly well. If you don't have any money right now, that is not an excuse. You can start today by reaching out to potential customers or just posting free, valuable content on social media that's simple, clear, and easy to understand. Show people you know how to solve their problems. That's it. You don't need fancy ads at first or a big budget to sign your first customers. And in fact, it's better if you don't. Why? Because it forces you to be clever and resourceful. And remember, for each client, you're not making pennies. You're making anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 or more, depending on the offer, with profits that can be as high as 95%. We've never seen a business model with such high profits. Compare that to something like dropshipping, where you'd be lucky to keep 5 to 20% after all the costs. It's insane. But when we sell digital products, coaching, or even services, we get to keep most of what we make. And at the end of the day, that is the only thing that matters. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Now, the second side hustle is AI-powered micro consulting. Now, this is even easier if you hate selling products and you just want to talk to people and get paid. So here's how it works. You offer quick consulting sessions where you use AI to help you deliver advice. You're not solving brain surgery problems. You're offering fast wins. For example, you can offer website copy audits, You feed someone's website into AI, and it's going to spit out suggestions like, hey, maybe your headline sucks, make them better like this. All you would have to do is to explain it nicely, add a little bit of your own advice, and boom, you have a service. Or you can offer social media growth plans. You take a person's Instagram or TikTok account, you plug it into an AI tool like ChatGPT, and it's going to tell you what's working and what's not pretty accurately. Then you help them set up a posting schedule, give a few ideas, and send them on their way. You don't need crazy knowledge because AI does it for you. You just interpret the results and make it sound human. You can do sessions over Zoom with your customers and you charge real money. You can start at $50 per session, or like I said, if you sell a package, that's $1,000 to $5,000. With only 3 customers, you could be making $6,000 a month, $8,000 a month, even more than that. Now let's move on to the third side hustle, AI-generated digital assets marketplace. Now what does it mean? This is for the creative folks who like making cool stuff but don't want to get paid pennies for it. You basically create digital assets with AI, things like art, music loops, writing prompts, stuff that people can download and use. You can make stock photos and sell them on sites like Etsy or icons for websites, or even weird NFT style art if you're into that. You can create music loops for YouTubers and TikTokers, quick little bits they can throw under their videos. You can even make bundles of prompts like 30 prompts to help e-commerce stores write better product descriptions, and you sell those too. You upload the stuff once and then you're basically done. People will keep buying it while you sleep. That's pretty close to passive income. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need a fancy degree. You just need an AI art tool or music tool. Just play with it for a few days, just to be familiar with the tool. Make some cool things. Put them up for sale on Etsy, Gumroad, ArtStation, OpenSea, wherever. The startup cost is pretty low. Maybe a few bucks for an AI tool subscription. Maybe not even that, depending on what you choose to use. It's stupid simple and it adds up fast. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Moving on to side hustle number 4, automated AI chatbot services. Now listen, this sounds complicated, but it's actually easier than it looks. Small businesses are desperate for help, answering customer questions, booking appointments, and capturing leads. But a lot of them don't have the time or knowledge to set up all these complex AI bots. What you can do is to build very simple chatbots that handle all of that using AI. And no, you don't need to learn coding. There are tools like ManyChat or ChatFuel where you drag and drop things around. It's literally easier than building a Lego set, but you're getting paid for it. You connect the chatbot to an AI like ChatGPT-4, and now the bot can actually talk like a real human. It can answer frequently asked questions. It can schedule appointments. It can even collect emails and phone numbers for future marketing. You pitch these surveys to small businesses. Think about salons. Think about dental offices. Think tiny online shops. They're happy to pay you to handle it because it saves them hours every week. What's amazing with chatbot services is that you can charge a setup fee and then charge a monthly fee to keep it running, meaning you don't need to find new customers constantly. Maybe $100 per month, maybe $200, depending on how fancy it is. If you stack up a few clients, you've got yourself some nice monthly recurring revenue that pays your rent while you're sleeping. If you're starting today, just learn one no-code chatbot builder. Spend just a weekend practicing. Build a simple demo bot. Then, start pitching to businesses in your area or even online. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room to make this work. You just need to move fast while everyone else is still thinking about it. Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. If you want to sit around waiting for the perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect everything, you will still be in the same financial position next year. But if you pick one of these AI side hustles today, you mess around a little bit, you figure it out along the way, you can be making real money faster than you think. You have to realize this is 2025. AI is not coming, it's already here. It's already changing the game as we're speaking. The only question is, are you going to use it to become wealthy, or are you going to let it roll override you? It's your choice. But I know a minority of people are going to take action and stop at nothing to win. If that's you, then click in the link in the description below, because I've made a video where I explain how I've been able to make more than $1,000 a day in profit. And right now, We're also offering free strategy calls with me or a member of my team to help you come up with a custom game plan to help you reach financial freedom in 90 days or less. But be quick, because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And soon, we'll probably take the video down. So click on the link in the description below. And with that being said, I'll see you on the other side.